all those countries, they sideline with friends to ask Haiti to pay for the fact that the country took its independence. But let's move on in the 20th century. It was in the context of the Monroe Doctrine that was framed by the President Monroe, America for Americans. The Monroe Doctrine is important for imperialism. So the U.S. intervened militarily in Haiti after the assassination of another Haitian president. His name was Vilbert Guillaume Sam. Vilbert Guillaume Sam was assassinated on July 28, 1915. And the same afternoon of July 28, 1915, the U.S., under the presidency of the Democrat Woodrow Wilson, they sent U.S. Marine to Haiti to occupy Haiti for 19 years. During that occupation, they changed the Haitian constitution. Before that, no foreigner, no foreigner could own land in Haiti. The U.S. changed the Haitian constitution, so foreigner could start owning land in Haiti. After that, they took the money, the reserve gold in the National Bank of Haiti. That money was transferred into the National City Bank. The money of Haiti actually helped to build Wall Street. So now it's very important in a program of global perspective to give that global perspective to our listener, because now we are many people, we are start having that conversation about Oklahoma, the first Black Wall Street, but we don't talk about, the money of Haiti that participate in building Wall Street in the United States of America. And until now, Haitian people did not receive any kind of economic reparation whatsoever for what the U.S. did to Haiti between 1915 and 1934. So it just to give you, if we move